How to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. First, open Canva on your PC and make sure you are logged in. Next, go to the video project where you want to add text-to-speech. Now, open a website that provides text-to-speech services such as VoiceMaker. On the text-to-speech website, type the text you want to convert to speech. You can adjust the voice volume, speed, and pitch to match your preferences. Feel free to explore and apply any voice effects if needed. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on Convert to Speech. After the conversion, play the audio to check if it meets your expectations. When ready, click on the download icon to save the audio file to your computer. Once the download is complete, go back to Canva. In Canva, click on Uploads on the left-hand side of the screen. Drag the downloaded audio file from your computer's Downloads folder into the Upload section. After the upload is finished, drag the audio file to the timeline of your video and adjust it as needed. Your text-to-speech audio is now added to your Canva video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.